Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Today we're doing another sound design walkthrough for this short film called Rosemead. We wanted some kind of sound design there, and just based on the way that it looks almost etched in, carved a little bit. There's like some friction to it. It's a little rough. I immediately started looking for dragging sounds, carving sounds. Obviously some cool processing on that, but I also enjoyed that it was kind of a pitched element too, so it does feel more ominous, more sci-fi.